Hi, my name is Vieira, and today we are going to discuss one of the most successful investment stories in the markets in the past years. A few years ago, I named Netflix, an American company, one of the best investments ever in the market. At that time, Netflix was considered among some of the most respected investment firms, a dog, and no one would ever imagine that Netflix would become one of the best stock market performers in history. Already in 2015, we made a public announcement on the website. Vieira Trading recommends quadruple the size of investment positions in Netflix in 2015. Today, in May, shares of this American company closed above $614. Netflix became, as I predicted, one of the best stock market performers ever. Every single year we have been discussing Netflix, recording live on video instructions for investors, how to invest in this company, making all the calls, predicting with an accuracy close to 100% the tops and bottoms in Netflix, having in mind the long-term investment direction, which has been always the long side. In 2015, we disclosed the Netflix stock forecast, and we made it available for small investors just for a price of $2,000. In 2015, we announced live on Twitter, real-time, recommendations. All of them, they represented a vast amount of profits by investing in Netflix, as you find on the website testimonials. These testimonials, digitally signed, they represent our best investing in Netflix in the past years, as well as $3.86 million to be the average profit per customer. And this automatically turns our successful story in a very important case study, because not only I made the call that Netflix will become one of the best investments ever in the markets, as well as I helped those that they believed in my personal guidance to become millionaires by investing in just one company instead of following the rules, common beliefs of the society. I'm referring to diversification when I said that diversification does not necessarily result into less risk. Quite the opposite. When you know that you have before you the best investment ever in the markets, there is no need for diversification. Instead, you have to have your portfolio just one company, one stock, and that to be Netflix. Once again, I proved that stock prices can be predicted and that we have the best trading algorithms in the world. I'm going to show you proof of this at stockmarketlive.tv, information that has been available for public consultation. I'm going to visit the website. Here you'll find my call made a few years ago. The best stock to invest in. I believe the title is quite clear, objective, but I invite you to play the video, which is just 2.5 minutes long. This is the service where we have 5,812% return on investment. This is the public announcement on the blog. Vieira Trading subscribers quadruple the size of investment positions in Netflix. This is a public, available article on the blog. And here you'll find Netflix stock forecast, a clear explanation what the stock was going to do during the course of 2015. And this, I repeat, it has been available for small investors at a price of $2,000. a ridiculous amount compared to the percentage return on investment that every single subscriber obtained by investing in Netflix. Moreover, finally in 2015, we have here on a website in the US the announcement that investment firms finally they upgrade Netflix to buy. And as I said, and I proved, stock prices can be predicted. And here you have a case study, including a full video on another American company, Green Mountain Coffee, a very complex investment, where I call it the top and the bottom in Green Mountain Coffee, and I invite you to play this video till the end, where I made an offer, $100 million US, if you prove that the content it is not genuine, or that we modify it for our own convenience, the content of this case study. So congratulations to all those that have been investing in Netflix according to my personal guidance in the past years. Good luck, and today we have subscribers retiring, and for obvious reasons, without any risk whatsoever, for the simple fact that Netflix today it is a stock trading at $614.